Good morning. Currently here in Bali. What we're going to do today is test out the GoPro's Media Mod, and I've seen a few videos around, but this will be my version of testing it. So no more talking, let's just get right into it. The new Media Mod, we no longer need this fat dongle thing. You just click your GoPro right in and it should sound pretty good. So I'm going to do 3 tests today without the Media Mod, with the Media Mod, and using the Rode Video Micro. So let's go for a ride and test it on the road. Alright, so you're currently with the Rode Video Micro right along here, straight to Bali. Just testing out the audio, how well it sounds, how's the wind. So right now there's no dead cat on the microphone, so you'll hear a lot of wind. Problem is, if you put it on, it takes away half of the footage. This thing here, put that baby on. There you go. Does that cut out the wind? Sure, but look at it going into the footage there. That's not ideal, is it? So either you get no wind in your audio, but you get the sock, or no sock and slightly worse audio. Alright guys, right now this is the Hero 8 with the Media Mod on. We have no other attachments. This microphone is using the front only shotgun mic. Alright, this is no attachments at all, no Media Mod, nothing. Ooh. Just using the GoPro's audio. That is already on board. So how's this sound compared to the other 2? With Media Mod, with Video Micro, Hero, whatever it is. Oh, drenched in sweat. It's a hot place in Bali. Okay, so now we're down near the waves. Let's test the quality of the sound when you've got something quite loud behind you. So right now, there is no attachments, no Media Mod, nothing. This is purely the audio from the camera. So yeah, let's now go to the audio from the Media Mod. This is the Media Mod using their front only microphones. Here's the shotgun mic in the Media Mod. I've got the waves going behind me. I am drenched in sweat. Well, that's Bali for you. Anyway, got my sunscreen, slip, slop, slaff, all about the safety. Anyway, yeah, just has how this sounds. Now let's plug in the Video Micro and see the difference that makes. Okay guys, the Video Micro is now, so the Rode Video Micro is now plugged in. And how's that sound now? The wave's still behind the camera. Can you hear me better? Worse? About the same? Obviously you can tell, I can't until I do it in post-edit. That's it. Got some Instagrammers behind me. So now we're using the GoPro Media Mod with the microphones in the back. So obviously you should hear the waves better than you hear me. If I turn it around, can you hear me better than you hear the waves? Again, not too sure. And now we have the stereo microphones on the GoPro with the Media Mod. So how does that, you should be able to hear everything, which is not necessarily a good thing. Luckily these shoes are waterproof. And I'm going to do a distance test. So I've got on the El Grande pole. So let's put this pole face this way. So you're facing me and not the waves. Okay. Yeah, that's me. So basically you see how the distance goes. If I'm talking, can you hear me? Are you hearing the wave? Can you hear me at all? Let's plug in the Video Micro and see what that makes a difference. So I've got the Video Micro plugged in now. Waves still behind the camera on the El Grande stick. See how much better or worse that quality of audio is. But yeah, that is that, and that might conclude the test. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. This is a very quick GoPro Media Mod review. It's too easy.